the best smart money concepts indicator for successful trading. Navigating the trading world can be overwhelming, especially when identifying profitable market trends among all the noise. The answer you may be looking for lies in mastering one key tool, the Smart Money Concepts Indicator. In this video, I'll demystify how to understand and utilize this powerful indicator for successful trading, which has on multiple occasions proven its effectiveness for significantly boosting my trading accuracy. Like, subscribe, and check the SonarLab link below. Stay to the end, please, and use the discipline needed to become a successful trader. Overview of the SonarLab Smart Money Concepts Indicator. The SonarLab Smart Money Concepts Indicator is a high-end TradingView software designed to simplify the works of traders by integrating multiple factors like advanced market structure, order blocks, imbalances, fair value gaps, and volume profiles. Some of its features are premium and discount zones and liquidity concepts that allow detailed price action analysis and predict future trends. The Smart Money Concepts Indicator looks at the advanced market structure. It clearly marks out break of structure and change of character for the beginning of new trends or the end of old ones. By using this tool, you can see things others may miss quickly. Seeing trade setups beforehand helps you make better trades faster, with less guessing about what comes next. Order blocks. Order blocks are one of the keys to trading SMC. They show supply and demand areas on TradingView charts and therefore possible reversal points for entries and exits. With the SonarLab Smart Money Concepts Indicator, you get these blocks immediately on your chart. On top of that, they're now marked with a level of certainty. Those with a higher certainty have a higher percentage number. Here you're going to see what happens when price retraces back up towards the order block. You can see here that all these pointers are indicating the different order blocks that have been created. There's a purple one above, bluish purple one above, that the price is going to eventually retrace to. So I'll play it out here just so you can get an idea of where it's going to travel to, and you should be able to see in a moment that it will return to this upper order block where price has moved down with a pretty strong impulse. Imbalances are also known as fair value gaps. Fair value gaps show up when prices jump from one level to another without making much of a retracement. The SMC indicator helps you accurately see those jumps or imbalances in the market without any second guessing. I'm going to point out here where a fair value gap exists, and you can see it's an area where the candle is elongated. Fair value gaps tend to be or leave wide spreads, and prices can tend to retrace back to those areas, and you can use those as a possible entry here. So I'm going to play this out so you can see how, in this case, the fair value gap is taken out. Traders use these regions as optional entry points instead of order blocks. You can take a look at the IC training series on YouTube for details. It's free. I highly encourage you to take a look there because he was actually the originator of a lot of these ideas. Like, subscribe, and check the SonarLab link below. Stay to the end, please, and use the discipline needed to become a successful trader. Volume profile. These indicators show how much trade volume exists at each price level. You can see that on the side here in the picture. There's profiles which look like lateral hills. The peaks of those hills are areas where the most volume occurs. It helps us see high volume areas where many trades are made. These are optimal zones for entries or even exits. Big players in the market often make these high volume trades, so watching the volume profile can give us clues about what might happen next. It can be used in confluence with other entry points, such as order blocks, to provide a more accurate entry. Premium and discount zones. The Smart Money Concepts indicator shows premium and discount zones. You should buy at discount and sell at a premium in confluence with other features that have been mentioned before. You can see here in the diagram there's a 0.5 or a 50% level that's marked off in between the swing high and the swing low. These zones tell where the price is high or low compared to its usual price range. It makes it easy to spot good times for buying or selling in the Forex market. It can be lined up with other confluences such as high volume seen from the volume profile and lined up with order blocks as well. Liquidity concepts. Liquidity concepts are key parts of the Smart Money Concepts indicator. These ideas focus on highs and lows in price action. In the diagram in the background, you can see there's an area of equal high liquidity. Those are in some cases two equal tops, are also known as a double top, or in some cases, if we're talking about two equal lows, a double bottom. You can also see an area of sell side liquidity as well. So this indicator will mark off either of those two types of liquidity. They touch upon not only equal highs and lows, but also trend line liquidity as well. You can see that in the diagram in the background. There's two trends there indicating areas where some orders may be placed. That price can retrace back to and therefore pick up those orders for, again, more liquidity. This is useful for you as it helps you understand market flow better and where price may retrace to take out orders before it reverses. Order blocks with areas of liquidity nearby have a higher probability of working. Benefits of using the Smart Money Concepts indicator. It's helpful in predicting market trends. Use the Smart Money Concepts indicator to see how the market might go. It can find trends for both the Forex and crypto markets. I can use these clues to make smart trades before bigger shifts happen. Identifying buying and selling opportunities. The Smart Money Concepts indicator helps me find good times to buy and sell, and the highest probability entries and exits in the region of order blocks or fair value gaps. It shows where smart money is moving in the Forex or the crypto market. The trading tool points out key levels like liquidity, order flow, and fair value. Improving trading accuracy. The Smart Money Concepts indicator makes me better at trading. It helps me see where the smart money is going accurately and fast. This can lead to more winning trades and fewer losses. Conclusion. The SonarLab Smart Money Indicator uses expert ideas based on ICT, the inner circle trader, to see market trends. The success of ICT ideas are attested to by many crypto, index, and Forex traders. You can find great chances to buy and sell with it. This indicator helps traders make informed decisions by identifying trend changes, swing structure, support and resistance levels, and areas of liquidity where large amounts of buy and sell orders exist. It makes the inner circle trader, ICT concepts, more easily accessible. Like, subscribe, and check the SonarLab link below.
Thanks for watching.